Good morning and welcome to OccamsRazor's Gardening, Cooking, and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. And I just realized once again I got the wrong bloody shoes on. Well, please like, share, subscribe, and it helps to grow the channel. As small as this channel is, last year we kept up on the growth of the entire garden all through the year, and we're doing the same thing again this year. All right, well, let me go change my boots and I'll be right back. And there, that's better. Once again, with the rubbers. Now, it was raining last night. Let me touch the grass. Oh, the grass is dry. What's going on? Must have been a lot of wind. Well, there is moisture in the soil. Hey, weed. Get out, weeds. Oh, I'm gonna have to get in here and weed. The weeds are wet because the soil is damp underneath. Good. All right. Well, some crops did start coming up yesterday, so we will go look at that as soon as I look at my compost pile. Right? That's that. That's the compost pile. That's enough of that. And of course, we've got 4 separate tomato plants. The other day when we put them in, we showed you what they are. So let's do that again today. We have what sorry about that. What does that say? Tomato Heirloom Rainbow. Multicolored tomatoes. This is the Secret Malloy. Oh, sorry, Secret Million. And then here, what do we have here? We have the San Marano. This is about as close to aroma as I could find. And our other tomato plant, what do we got here? The Sunny Boy, right? Sunny Boy. And our 2 latest pepper plants, doing okay. And our first pepper plant's not doing so okay. Now they would have done better in the heat, but what are you doing? Oh, that's not healthy at all. That's a dead leaf. That one's still got some strength to it, so it might still live. That's unfortunate. But I did have more than enough peppers last year. Can't get in here and get all this grass. Well, these are all tiger lilies coming up. Of course, the tiger lilies themselves haven't started to grow out yet. What we've got in here? Just more of a, oh yeah, raspberry bush just goes all through the yard. Oh, peonies are getting bigger. And off to the potato patch, and look at that, potato. We have the potato tester. Oh yeah. Oh, of course the creepy crawlies. Especially after the rain, you're always gonna want to invade the soil, aren't you? Just annoying. Not good. And none of our beans have come up yet. I'm impressed with that. Figured the beans are usually like the fastest ones to come up. Do I see any bean activity? No, that's not bean. That's not bean. Well, wait for that. Nope. Nope. Not seeing the beans. Maybe tomorrow. And the first potatoes that I put in, some of them are starting to come up. Hey, look at you. Right there and there. None of the peas have come up. Just the grass that wants to grow around them. Well, this is day 10, day 11, I think. So a couple more days and we'll plant some more peas. I guess we'll replant the beans too. But the radishes are doing fine. Eh? Don't need that grass growing right next to you. I'll just start again because I can get to the root. What happens to the soil? Oh, there's moisture underneath. Well, we were kind of hoping for more rain last night, but obviously by the dryness of grass, we didn't get that much. I'm not, it's hard to tell. I'm thinking mostly weeds. Yeah. Okay, well, I guess other than the squash here, maybe that one over there, not sure if that's a squash, could be weed. Well, give it a couple more days, but next couple of days it's going to be cooler, so all the growth will slow. Some plants will barely grow at all. Right, well, let's go in front and have a look, see what's going on there. Here we are to check some peas. Go over past the lavender from last year and look into the garden as the weeds continue to grow. And where we do have some morning glories starting, you can see some of them starting right down there. Look at that. Right there. Very nice. Of course, I don't expect sunflowers to be up. Or, oh look, I'm just wrong. There's a sunflower right there. Very good. Well, that means that the others should be popping out soon. Still nothing, eh? Well, again, we will come out and reseed if we have to. And all those morning glories are really popping up. And of course the birdshit berry bush, which needs to get worked on very soon. Maybe I'll find time today. Still so many other things to do. All right, well, thanks for coming out and watching today's update on the growth of the garden. I really appreciate it. And we will see you back tomorrow for the next update. See you next time. Bye-bye.